Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Pay Later for your Zomato orders. To begin, make sure your Amazon Pay Later account is fully active and correctly linked to your Amazon profile. It's also important to update your Zomato application to its most recent version to ensure all payment functionalities are available. Finally, always check that you have enough credit limit in your Amazon Pay Later account to cover your desired order amount. Once your Amazon Pay Later is ready, open your Zomato app and select all the delicious food items you wish to order. After making your selections, proceed to the checkout page. Here, take a moment to carefully review all your order details, including the total cost and ensuring the delivery address is correct. Then, simply tap on the Payment Options section to move forward with your purchase. After reviewing your order, you'll see a list of payment methods. Look for and select Amazon Pay as your chosen gateway. This action will securely redirect you to the Amazon Pay interface, where you'll complete the transaction. On this Amazon Pay screen, you will then specifically choose Amazon Pay Later from the available options to proceed with your payment using your credit limit. To complete your order, you will need to authorize the payment. This typically involves entering your Amazon credentials or a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number for security. Upon successful authorization, you will see a confirmation message appear on both the Amazon Pay interface and back on your Zomato app. Your Zomato order will then be officially placed and processed for delivery, usually within 30 to 45 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.